How to find all your videos on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your posted videos on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it, and here you can click to see your profile or just click on your profile icon. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on search profile, and here you're gonna find videos. Click on it, and this is here you're gonna find photos and videos will show up here after they added like all your videos here. And this is it. This is how you find all your videos on Facebook. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.